Hey guys, it's Neil the Car Appraiser. Got a pretty cool car today. This is a 1965 Austin Healey. Let's go check it out. This is a 1965 Austin Healey 3000 Mark III. This is a BJ8 model. Absolutely gorgeous condition, been fully restored from the ground up. Every nut and bolt's been gone through. The engine's rebuilt, transmission was rebuilt. It's finished in Old English white with this lovely red leather interior with the white piping, and she is lovely. She's got the nice chrome wire wheels and looks really spectacular and runs like a champ. When I start her up, you can see she really purrs. Great oil pressure. Everything works, tachometer, speedo, everything works. So this is a pretty lovely little car. So if you think that you might like to own this car, she is going to be coming up for sale real soon. So drop me a line. Okay, looking underneath the hood, you can see that everything's been restored and rebuilt. The engine and the transmission was completely gone through, and all new wiring harness. All the components have been upgraded or replaced. It's got the twin SUs. This is a 3-litre straight 6 motor, and yeah, just in really nice shape. All the shocks have been redone. This car is as clean underneath as it is on top. Next job we got to do, which is the fun part, we got to take her for a drive. That's it for this 1965 Austin Healey. Let me know if you like it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you again on the next car that's coming up for sale.